So welcome to CraftyDoctor's YouTube channel and a quick video on how to download Call of Duty Black Ops 4 private beta on the Xbox One X. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is obviously check that your time zone is correct for downloading this game. So on the Xbox One X, it is available from 10 a.m. On the 10th of August Pacific time, or if in the UK, 5 p.m. GMT. So obviously this video has been released after then, so it should be all good. So head over to the store, the Microsoft Store, and once you get into the store, you need to then do a search. So open up the store on your Xbox One, do a search for Black Ops 4. And once you get the Black Ops 4, you'll get multiple ones. And also you need to have pre-ordered it. It's not a pre-order code, this one, if you've ordered it digitally. So once you've got the Black Ops 4 in your search bar, up to the top menu, go across, you'll see there the ones that says private beta, and that is obviously available now because of the difference in the time. But if you click on one that you've already purchased, so there I've clicked on the game, now it tells you there I can manage it because I've already bought the game, and it's obviously not released yet for a couple more months. But we want to get to the beta, so go across to the one that's got the beta on it and click on the install button. Simple as that. The reason why I couldn't see it initially is because the time zone difference is obviously in America. Like I say, it should be out about now, so you're free to download. And also the UK, 5 p.m, you're okay to download as well. And that's how to install the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 private beta game onto your Xbox One X. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give us any likes, any comments below. I know it's a short video, but please do subscribe to my channel, CraftyDoctor, on YouTube.